Hello. If you don't want to use wireless headphones, then these wired Sennheiser HD-569 headphones are just right for you. In this unboxing, I'll show you what comes included with these headphones and how they look. The set includes two cables, one shorter cable with a microphone and a longer stereo cable for headphone amps. Thanks to their low impedance and relatively high sensitivity, they are easy to drive from many devices without the need for a heavy amplifier. If you want a custom-length cable, you can check out the Techscrew DIY channel where I show how to make your own, or you can find replacements in online stores. It's a nice bonus that the headphones have a detachable cable, so no more broken cable problem. The headphones are made from quality matte plastic, and the ear pads are not leather, which means they don't get sweaty in hotter weather. Since they are closed-back headphones, your gaming or music listening won't disturb your grandmother. Next time, I'll make a full review video.